Mr. Sharp debates a trap house incident with the DA until she makes a bold claim.
Where the hell you at?
On the wood.
Hey, ain't like no little bad cut.
I don't know. Where they at?
I think they in the front. Man, they gotta goddamn get through their back.
They can't come in the house.
Yeah, that was my house said. But
Just don't open the door.
Your Honor, them whispering, this is Mr. Boyer, who Garlington is speaking with. So officers, when they arrive, they ring the doorbell camera. There's a brief exchange from someone inside, and then they don't respond anymore. And ultimately, Demikion Garlington was in a crawl space. It was raining that night. And so the significance of this is they are speaking amongst each other because they don't initially know who's at the door. So it's in furtherance of the conspiracy because they're coordinating with one another about where are you? And he says, I'm in the woods.
So the context of this call is individuals shot at 2830 Waters Road. That would not be a crime committed by our clients. I think the context of the call makes it clear that they're trying to avoid interactions with the police. They were just victimized, and I don't know if communications on a phone about that would be in furtherance of a conspiracy because there's no underlying criminal act.
Your Honor, the conspiracy itself, coordinating with one another in the wake of that has been committed in the wake of criminal activity at that house. We believe that the other calls will show that there are guns in the attic that they want to keep concealed from the police, and them coordinating with one another to evade detection by the police does further the interests of the gang by keeping themselves from being found out and connected to that house, because the police did descend upon this house where hundreds of shell casings were found in the yard, and it was one of those central locations that was involved in the wake of the shooting of Mr. Ford, Mr. McMiller, and Mr. Drinks.
All right.
And Your Honor, I left out one relevant fact. The police actually did come in contact with these individuals eventually, and they released them without charging them with anything.
Is that before they searched the house at that point?
They went into the house and detained all the individuals and then let them go without filing any charges.
No, they didn't search the house at that time. Didn't have a search warrant for it.
I'd never said anything about them searching the house.
But that's what I asked.
They later searched the house.
Okay.
But I don't believe anyone in this indictment is charged with anything that was found in the house.
They didn't find anything because they took it out before the police searched the house.